जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर अर्जुन विषाद योगम 39th श्लोका. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, O Krishna, you know that if this war takes place, the entire dynasty is going to be completely destroyed and vanished. But even after knowing that fact, why are you not stopping me from doing this battle? Like this, Arjuna is asking Sri Krishna Paramatma. With that meaning running in our thoughts, visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma and also thinking that Krishna Paramatma doing his Gitopadesam to us directly, let us now chant the sloka. Kadham na jneyam अस्माभिः पापादस्मात् निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिः जनार्दन. Om. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing. Whatever you think that it is right, do not force elders to agree with it, but get their opinion. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on doing all your actions as service to me and keep saying that Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Continuously keep thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you do like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins and troubles. Now let us give a vow to Sri Krishna Paramatma, visualizing that we are touching the feet of Krishna Paramatma, and when we are giving this word, Krishna Paramatma is feeling so happy and thinking that this is the greatest aradhana that we are doing. With that kind of Paramaviswasam, let us give a vow to Krishna, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always will be thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing all my actions as your service and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one sloka a day from Bhagavad Gita. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतम. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi telling all Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha addressing Pandavas, saying that, O my dear Pandavas, Paramatma Sakshat Sriman Narayana is standing right in front of me, giving his darshanam. O Pandavas, before we leave this body, before we depart from this body, whoever is getting to pay all their attention to Paramatma, whoever is completely having their mind occupied with Sriman Narayana, Bhaktya Vesya Mano Yasmin Vacha Yen Nama Kirtayan, whoever gets to sing Paramatma's Namam, they are going to be completely liberated from all kind of clutches of this birth and death. Muchyate Kama Karma Bhihi. O Pandavas, see, look at the Sakshat Sriman Narayana, whomever I always will be thinking that who has beautiful face, Mandahasam, who has always will be giving a nice smile, who has lotus-like divine face, such Paramatma, whom I always keep thinking, such Paramatma is standing right in front of me. Like this, Pandavas, he is addressing Pandavas and also saying that, oh my dear Pandavas, when Paramatma is standing right in front of me, I am willing to depart from this body. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha said. Then, in front of all the great rishis, in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Dharmaja approached Bhishma Pitamaha and asking about all kind of dharmas from the scriptures. Now Bhishma Pitamaha explaining Dharmaraju about Dana Dharman, Raja Dharman, Moksha Dharman, Vibhagasaha, Stri Dharman, Bhagavad Dharman, about all charities, all righteousness, all kind of tenets, and kingdom, how about kingdom, how to rule the kingdom, what are the dharmas related to kings, what are the dharmas related to moksha, what are the dharmas related to charities, what are the dharmas related to women, Stri, what are the dharmas related to bhaktas. All these dharmas were explained by Bhishma Pitamaha to Dharmaraju. Some of them were explained in detail, some of them were explained in brief. Nana Akhyana Itihaseshu. Bhishma Pitamaha continuously start taking wonderful examples and small stories from history and presenting to Bhishma Dharmaraju in front of so many devatas, rishis and Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is saying all this and waiting for Uttarayanam. Only when Uttarayanam comes, he wanted to depart from this body. He has that Swachanda Maranam. He has a willpower. He has such kind of freedom to depart from this body whenever he wants to depart. That kind of great power Bhishma Pitamaha has, and he is now waiting for Uttarayanam. Then comes Uttarayanam. Already there Uttarayanam. Immediately, all of a sudden, Bhishma Pitamaha, the one who was giving a continuous, constant Upadesam to Dharmaraju, suddenly he stopped his Upadesam. The one who has been doing so much of great Upadesam, the one Bhishma Pitamaha, who has seen so many battles, the one Bhishma Pitamaha, who has been protecting so many people, suddenly he stopped. Giraha upasamhrutya. He stopped all of his activities. Immediately he started releasing himself from all kind of relations and all kind of mundane connections, mundane attachments. Then he paid complete attention upon, he made sure that his mind is completely occupied with Adi Purushe, the one who is the Adipurusha Srimannarayana is there in his mind now. Krishna, the one who is Srimannarayana standing right in front of him, Krishna as a Krishna, Bhishma Pitamaha completely occupied with Krishna Paramatma now. The one who has Chaturbhuje, 4 hands, such Paramatma Srimannarayana is there in his manas completely occupied. Lasat Pita Pate, the one who has Pitambaram, such Paramatma is completely filled up in the manas of Bhishma Pitamaha. Then Bhishma Pitamaha, he opened his eyes wide, Amilita Druk, and he narrowed down entire of his vision, manas, all of his attention towards Vyadharayat Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha is completely occupied with Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 39th sloka. Kadhanna Jneyam Asmabhihi Papadasmat Nivartitum Kulakshayakrutam Dosham Prapasyadbhihi Janardana. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.